As a YouTuber, I have to give out my email so that viewers can contact me if they are having any problems following my tutorial or if brands want to contact me for collaboration. This was not a problem until now. Recently, I have been getting lucrative proposals from brands on my email, but as it turns out, hackers are trying to hack me. So in this video, I am going to show you how hackers are trying to hack me and how you can protect yourself if you land up in a similar situation like me in the future. So let's begin. Let me first show you how hackers are trying to hack me. I received an email from one Miss Jessica White. The email said that whosoever was writing the email was Thomas and he had a business proposal for me. They wanted to know if I was willing to insert a 30-second promotional video about MailX secure messaging app. If I was willing, I should reply to this email and they would send me the terms and conditions. Red flag number 1. The email was from Jessica White, but the writer claimed that he was Thomas. Red flag number 2. The domain of the email, which is @ part, was from a centrum.sk. If I went to centrum.sk, it appeared to be a news website. No reputable business would send out any email which was not from its own domain. There were enough red flags for me to not continue, but in the interest of educating my viewers, I continued. My first response was to find out more about MailX. So like a normal person, I went to google.com and searched for MailX. I found mailx.com and it appeared that they are an interactive email provider. Anyway, I sent a yes to that email to see what happens next. After a couple of days, I received an email back thanking me for my interest. They wanted me to first register on mailx.me as an affiliate and then to download the 30-second video to insert in my YouTube video. The link to download the video was on Google Drive and it was a password protected zip file. Knowing that the link may contain a virus or ransomware, I knew that opening the link would be bad. So I fired up a virtual machine and downloaded the attachment inside the virtual machine. Red flag number 3. The zip file was just 3.5 megabytes in size. But when I unzipped it, the size of the folder was 351 megabytes in size. For the sake of lulz, I still double-clicked on the file to see what happened. Sadly, nothing happened. But I was determined to get to the bottom of this. So I fired up a browser and went to virustotal.com and uploaded the file for analysis, and to my suspicion, the file was flagged as malicious by at least 10 antivirus programs. Like me, you might have a few questions. Why was the zip file just 3.5 megabytes while the unzipped folder was 351 megabytes? How can a file be compressed so much that the file size reduces by 100 times? Even if we ignore this question, why did the attacker make such a huge file? Let us start with the second question first. An attacker would like to have his malicious program large because majority antivirus applications have a hard limit on how large a file can be for them to scan. If the attacker manages to make the malicious program large enough, the antivirus programs will not even scan the program. Even the online scanner from Kaspersky has a file limit size of 249 megabytes. So, by making the file size large, the attacker is able to bypass most antivirus programs. Now for the first question. How can a folder be so small when zipped but large when unzipped? The answer is zeros. Let me show you. I downloaded a free hex editor, and when I opened the video file in the hex editor, a large portion in between is just zeros. By inserting so many zeros, the attacker is able to make the file so large that it passes under the radar of most antivirus programs, and when zipped, the file becomes roughly the size of the malware. I will leave the links to the hex editor below if you want to check it out yourself. So, what did we learn today? Number 1. Do not trust lottery scheme emails, collaboration emails. If they tell you to download attachments, that are password protected. Most probably, they are trying to deliver a malware to your computer. Number 2. Always check if the email is coming from a legitimate domain and corresponding to the company which the sender is claiming to be from. Legitimate emails will generally not come from free domains like Gmail, Yahoo, Centrum, or any other such free domains. Number 3. Use common sense. If something appears too good to be true, it probably is. In my case, my channel is such a small channel. In the past, I have received emails claiming to be from PUBG and other such big names. Why would such a big company contact me for a collaboration video when they can just hire bigger streamers than me? With that being said, I hope I was able to bring some awareness regarding the cyber threats that exist nowadays. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. My name is Vaibhav and I will see you guys in my next video.